In a series of widely circulated online videos, two renowned Bollywood actors from India, Amir Khan and Ranveer Singh, are depicted criticizing Prime Minister Narendra Modi and advocating support for the opposition Congress party in the ongoing general election.
दोस्तों, अगर आप सोचते हैं कि भारत एक गरीब देश है, तो आप बिल्कुल गलत सोचते हैं, क्योंकि यहाँ का हर एक नागरिक लखपति है। हर एक के पास कम से कम 15 लाख होनी चाहिए। क्या कहा? आपके पास ये रकम नहीं है? तो कहां गए आपके 15 लाख रुपए? जुमलेवादों से रहो सावधान,
नहीं तो होगा तुम्हारा नुकसान।
मोदी जी का पर्पस यही है, उनका उद्देश्य यही था कि वो सेलिब्रेट करे हमारी दुखी हुई जीवन और दर को, हमारी बेरोजगारी को, हमारी महंगाई को। क्योंकि हम जो भारतवर्ष है अब अन्याय काल की तरफ ऐसे बढ़ रहे हैं, इतनी स्पीड से बढ़ रहे हैं, पर हमें हमारी विकास, हमारी न्याय को मांगना कभी नहीं भूलना चाहिए। इसलिए सोचो और वोट दो।
जिन्हें देश की फिक्र है वो न्याय के लिए वोट देगा। वोट फॉर न्याय।
These videos, lasting 30 seconds for Khan and 41 seconds for Singh, purportedly conveyed dissatisfaction with Modi's tenure as Prime Minister, citing unfulfilled campaign promises and economic challenges left unaddressed. Each video concludes with the Congress party's symbol and rallying cry, "Vote for justice, vote for Congress." According to a review by Reuters, these videos have garnered over 500,000 views across various social media platforms since last week. The widespread circulation of such AI-generated content underscores its potential impact on the colossal Indian electoral process, which commenced on Friday and will extend until June. Similar instances of AI-generated content, including deepfake, have been observed in elections globally, including the United States, Pakistan, and Indonesia. Traditionally, election campaigns in India relied on door-to-door outreach and public rallies. But the advent of extensive social media campaigning began in 2019. This year's general election, where Modi seeks a rare third term, marks the debut of AI's influence in Indian electoral dynamics. A Congress spokesperson, Sujata Paul, shared Singh's video with her followers on X on April 17th. By Saturday afternoon, her post had garnered significant engagement, with thousands of shares, likes, and hundreds of thousands of views. Though marked as manipulated media by X, Paul refrained from removing the video, citing its perceived resemblance to Singh and creative merit. Subsequently, the video disappeared from X after Reuters reached out to Congress social media head for comment, who remained unresponsive. Both actors have disclaimed the authenticity of the videos. Despite being flagged by Facebook, X, and multiple fact-checking platforms as altered, their origins remain unverified. Khan expressed alarm over the viral fake video, while Singh's team initiated an inquiry. Singh cautioned against the proliferation of deepfakes in a post on X, urging vigilance among his followers.
ये इसलिए सोचो और वोट दो।
जिन्हें देश की फिक्र है वो न्याय के लिए वोट देगा। वोट फॉर न्याय, वोट फॉर कांग्रेस।
हमें हमारे रूट्स, हमारी कल्चरल हेरिटेज ये कभी नहीं भूलनी चाहिए।
With nearly 900 million internet users in India, a survey conducted by Asia Center and the Indian Institute of Management revealed that the average Indian spends over 3 hours daily on social media platforms. India boasts nearly 1 million eligible voters. Though some versions of the videos have been removed from social media, several remain accessible on X as of Saturday. While Facebook removed 2 flagged videos, one persisted despite Reuters' notification. Facebook attributed this action to policy violations, while X refrained from comment. The dissemination of these videos prompted a police investigation, with Khan filing a case in Mumbai on April 17 against unidentified individuals for impersonation and fraud in creating the fabricated video. While Mumbai police did not respond to inquiries, officers involved in Khan's case confirmed communication with Facebook and X, resulting in the removal of the videos. However, the investigative process is ongoing, with technical complexities contributing to its duration.